Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive into something a bit technical, installing KernelSU on a OnePlus 6T running CrDroid and Android 14. This will give you root access, allowing you to tweak your phone's performance and explore advanced features. But before we start, let's make it clear that rooting your phone voids your warranty. So, proceed at your own risk. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have the following: a OnePlus 6T running CrDroid and Android 14, a PC with a DB and fast boot drivers installed, a USB cable to connect your phone to the PC, the KernelSU file downloaded from the official GitHub page. There are two versions, one with an overclocked GPU and one without. Choose the one that suits your needs. I've downloaded the overclocked one. Open your web browser and go to the official KernelSU GitHub page. Find the latest release for OnePlus 6T and download the kernel file. Remember, there are two versions, overclocked and non-overclocked. I'll be using the overclocked one for this tutorial. Now, let's boot your OnePlus 6T into recovery mode. To do this, turn off your phone completely. Then, press and hold the volume down and power buttons simultaneously until the OnePlus logo appears. Release the power button but keep holding the volume down button until you enter recovery mode. Once you're in recovery mode, use the volume keys to navigate and the power button to select. Go to Apply Update and then choose Apply Update from ADB. Now, connect your phone to your PC using the USB cable. On your PC, open a command prompt or terminal window. Type Add Devices to ensure your phone is detected. You should see your device's serial number. Next, type Add Sideload followed by the path to the KernelSU file you downloaded. Press Enter to start the installation process. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the installation is complete, your phone will automatically reboot. This might take a little longer than usual. Don't worry, just let it finish. After your phone boots up, you should now have KernelSU installed. You can verify this by installing a root checker app from the Google Play Store. If the app confirms root access, congratulations! You've successfully installed KernelSU on your OnePlus 6T. And there you have it, you've successfully installed KernelSU on your OnePlus 6T running CrDroid and Android 14. Remember, rooting your phone can be risky, so use it responsibly. If you encounter any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.